Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we will start our chapter 2, that is whole numbers. Okay, so students, before whole numbers we should know what are the natural numbers. What are natural numbers, students? That start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All the numbers are natural numbers, means all the positive numbers starting from 1 are natural numbers. Now what are whole numbers? 0 plus all the natural numbers. Okay, 0, then what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this. All the numbers are natural numbers, means whole numbers start from 0 and then all the positive numbers are whole numbers. Now one of the example is write next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. So students, what will be the next 3 natural numbers after this? It is 10,999. So after this natural number will be 11,000, then 11,001, then 11,002. So these will be the 3 natural numbers after this. Okay, which is the smallest whole number? Students, from where whole numbers are starting? Whole numbers are starting from 0. Okay, means 0 is the smallest whole number. And if you are asked about smallest natural number, then 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay, now successor. If you asked any of the number is given to you and you are asked that write the successor of this number, so for the successor what we do, we add 1 to that number. Okay, now here what is given? 1,01,099 is given to us. So we have to find the successor, or I can say we have to 1 to it. Okay, so 1,199, what will be the answer? 1,02,000. Okay, this will be the successor of this number. Now predecessor, what does predecessor means? Means we have to subtract 1 from this, means the term before this term. So when we will subtract 1, then we will get its predecessor, and successor means we have to tell about the terms which term come after the term given to you. So we will add 1 to that. Okay, so here predecessor. So what we will do here, it is given that 2,08,090. So predecessor means we have to subtract 1, means we have to tell before 1 term. So 2,08,089 will be its predecessor. Okay, 2,08,089 will be its predecessor. Now put the sign. So students, here 98,765 is given to us and 56,789 is given to us, and we have to put the sign, means we have to tell which one is greater and which one is smaller. So students, here 98,765 is greater or 56,879. Obviously this one is greater, so we will put the sign like this. In 503, 530, which one is greater? 530 is greater, so we will put the sign like this. Now find the sum. Students, we have to find the sum, but by suitable arrangement. What does suitable arrangement mean, students? Here if you will start solving like this, then it will be problem for you. So we will arrange the numbers here. Here at the end it is 2, and here at the end it is 8. We know that 2 plus 8 will give us 0 in the end, and it will be very easy for us to calculate further. Similarly, here 3 is at the ones place and here 7 is at the ones place. So 3 plus 7 will also give us 0 at the end, and it will be easy for us. So how we will do? We will do the stable arrangement for that. So 1,962 is given to us. What we will do? We will take this term further. Okay, means we will write 1,538 with this term, and this term we will take to that side, so it will be 453, and here it is 647. So we will arrange the numbers like this, so that what we can do, we can add these two and we can add these two. Okay, so when we will add these two, what we will be getting? Here 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0, then 1 will be the carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 and 6 plus 4 is again 10. Now 1 is again carried, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 9 plus 6 is 15. Now 1 is carried, now 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 1 3. It means after adding these two we are getting 3500. Now what we will do, we will add these two. Okay, so here 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 is carry, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 5 is 10. Again 1 is carry, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 4 is 11. Means by solving these two we are getting 1100. Now students, it is very easy to solve these two. 0 0 at the end. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. We are getting 4600 as our answer. So students, by the arrangement we can simplify our calculation. Okay. Now students, our next question is find the product. Okay, this question is given to us and we have to find the product, means we have to multiply these two. Students, if you will multiply these two and then you will multiply 50 with that, so it will be very difficult for you. So again we will do some arrangement here. So what we will do, we will change these two. So here I am writing 1768 earlier and then I am writing 2 and then into 50 is there. So students, here 1768 is here. Now first of all what we will do, we will multiply these two. We know that 50 into 2 is 100. So students, always make the arrangements like that so that you can get the answer as zeros here, because it will be very easy for you to multiply with the other number. So now we know that if we will multiply 1768 with 100, what we will be getting? We will be getting 1,76,800. So it is very easy for us to calculate like this. Okay. Now distributive property. What is distributive property? A into, then bracket start B plus C is equals to AB plus BC. It means we are multiplying A with B, then addition sign is here, then we are multiplying A with C, so our answer is AC. So this is the distributive property over addition. As addition sign is in between, so we can say that it is over addition. Okay. In the same manner, if A into B minus C is given to us, so it will be equals to AB, means A multiply B, then minus sign is here, then A into C. And this is the distributive property over subtraction, we can say. Okay, this is the property over subtraction. So we will use these properties to solve our further questions. Here students, this is in multiplication, then plus sign is given to us, then these in multiplication. Okay, now if we will see, then this 297 and this 297, these two are same. So students, if I say that let us consider 297 as A, here also 297 will be A, here consider 17 as B, sorry, 297 as A again, here 17 is B, and here we are considering 3 as C. So if you will see, so what is the property? A into B, then plus sign is here, then A into C. This kind of expression is this one. Okay, and we know that AB plus AC can be written as A into B plus C. We can write this as A into B plus C, and according to which property? According to distributive property over addition. Students, if this kind of expression is given, we can write this equals to these one, and if these kind of equations are with us, we can write the left side expression. Okay, so here A into B plus C, it means what we are doing here, we are taking A as common from these two. Okay, taking A as common here. So what is A here? 297 is A here. So what we will do, we will take out 297 as common, and then we will write in the bracket. So what we have to write in the bracket? B plus C. So what is B? 17 is B, and then plus, and what is C? 3 is C. So this can be written like this. Okay, and in the simple manner I can say that 297 is with this and with these terms. So 297 is common, then what is left from these two? 17 is left, so write 17 here. Then plus sign is here, so write plus sign. Then in these two, 297 is common, then what is left over here? Only 3 is left, so write 3 in the bracket like this. Okay, now we will further solve it. So 297 will be as it is, 297 is as it is. Now 17 plus 3, because we will solve the bracket first. So 17 plus 3 will be 20. Okay. Now what we will do? We will multiply them simply. So 297 multiply 20. What will be the answer? Here 0 is with us. Now 7 2 is 14. 1 is carry. 9 2 is 18. Then plus 1 19. 2 2 is 4 and then 5. Means our answer is 5940 after solving this. Okay. Now next one is this one. Here also if you will see, then 81,265 and 81,265. These two are same. Okay, so we will take these common according to the distributive property. So 81,265 is here. Now what is left from these two? From these two, 169 is left. So we will write 169 here. What is the sign in between? Minus sign. And from these two, if we have taken 81,265 as common, what is left? 69 is left. So we will write 69 here in the bracket. Now what we have to do? We have to solve the bracket part. So 169 minus 69, we will be getting 100. Okay. Now when we will multiply 81,265 with 100, we will get like this, and what we will call it? We will call it 81,26,500. So that's very easy to simplify. Okay. Now next is this one. We have to multiply these two numbers. So students, if we will multiply these two, then it will be very bigger multiplication. So for simplify it, what we will do? We will write 102 as 100 plus 2. We can write 102 as 100 plus 2. Okay. So we will write it here. So 854 is equals to 854 into 102 is given to us. So 854 into 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now what we will do? This is the expression like this form, A into B plus C. So what we will do? We will write it as AB plus AC. Means we will multiply this with 100 and we will multiply 854 with 2. So what we will be getting, students? 854 into 100, then plus sign is here, so plus sign, then 854 into 2. Okay, these two will be the expression. Now 854 multiplied by 100, what will be the answer? 85,400. Okay. Now 854 into 2, what will be the answer? 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10 and 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17. Now what we will do? We will simply add them. So after adding them, what will be the answer? 8 plus 0, 8, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 4 will be 11, 1 will be the carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7 and 8 is here. Means we are getting 87,108 as our answer. Okay. Now fill up. 1 plus 0. It is very easy. When we will add something to 0, the number will remain same, means 1 will remain same. 0 into 0 will be 0. Okay, something multiplied by 0 give us answer 0. Now 0 divided by 2. Students, in these kind of questions, denominator should not be 0. Numerator can be 0 but numerator cannot. So denominator should be any of the number. Here 2 is the number and 0 divided by 2 will give us 0. Okay. 0 multiplied by something or divided by something always gives us 0. Now 10 minus 10 by 2. Students, 10 minus 10 will be 0 and 0 divided by 2 will be 0. So we are getting 0 in these three cases, but 1 plus 0 is 1 here. Okay. So students, that's all. This is your chapter. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.